Do you like lunch? Lunch is my favorite meal. Let's talk about it and share ideas. Hi guys, I'm Leo Darren and welcome to Leo English Channel. Here we learn English while talking about fun topics. Today our topic is lunch. I will tell you about my lunch, what I like to eat, and why lunch is important. Are you ready? Let's start. I love lunch. Lunch is the meal we eat in the middle of the day. It is very important because it gives us energy to study, work, or play. My favorite lunch is simple and tasty. I usually eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta or sandwiches too. Every day, I try to eat healthy food. Healthy food is good for our body. For example, vegetables have vitamins. Fruits give us energy. Chicken and eggs give us protein. I like to eat colorful food. Red tomatoes, green vegetables, and yellow rice make my lunch look beautiful and delicious. I usually eat lunch at school or at home. At school, my friends and I eat together. We talk and laugh while eating. It is fun to eat with friends. At home, my family eats together too. Sometimes, my mom cooks special food for lunch. She makes pasta, rice, or soup. I help her sometimes. Cooking lunch is very fun. Do you know lunch is different in every country? In Italy, people eat pasta for lunch. In Japan, people eat rice, fish, and vegetables. In Mexico, people eat tacos and beans. I like to try different foods for lunch. Trying new food is exciting. I also like to drink juice or water with my lunch. Juice is sweet and delicious. Water is very healthy. Drinking something while eating is important. It helps our body feel good. Lunch is not only for eating. Lunch is also for talking and relaxing. When I eat lunch, I take a small break from school or work. I feel happy and ready to continue my day. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music while eating. Do you pack your lunch or eat at home? Packing lunch is fun too. You can put your favorite food in a box. Sandwiches, fruits, and cookies are good. I like packing lunch for school. It makes me feel responsible and organized. I want to ask you, what is your favorite lunch? Do you like rice, pasta, sandwiches, or something else? Do you eat at home, school, or a restaurant? The important thing is to eat healthy, enjoy your food, and feel happy. Here are some tips for a good lunch. 1. Eat vegetables and fruits every day. They are very healthy. 2. Drink water or juice with your lunch. 3. Eat slowly and enjoy your meal. 4. Share lunch with friends or family. Sharing is fun. 5. Try new food sometimes. You may find a new favorite lunch. I remember one day I tried sushi for lunch. I was nervous. I didn't know if I would like it, but I tried and it was delicious. Trying new food is always exciting. Finally, remember, lunch is very important. It gives us energy, keeps us healthy, and makes us happy. Everyone needs lunch every day. Eating healthy lunch helps us study, work, and play better. So let's enjoy lunch every day. Eat healthy, try new foods, and share with friends or family. Thank you for listening. Tell me your favorite lunch in the comments. I want to know. Remember, lunch is for everyone, everywhere, and at any time. Enjoy it and stay happy.